Hi everyone, Christina here. Welcome to another YouTube video. I have a really fun release to show you guys today. I'm going to walk through the entire release and then make a really simple card with it at the end. But Colorado Craft Company has teamed up with Anita Jarom. I think that's how you say her name. I'm not entirely sure. But she is a very accomplished children's book author and illustrator. On the back of the packaging, it even says, you know, she's most well known for her book, Guess How Much I Love You. It's just adorable and sweet, and her illustrations are so precious. Anyway, they've teamed up to give us the chance to work with her images as stamps. And it's a super great release. There's a lot of products, more than they usually release, and it's available now. And I do want to mention this before I get into showing you all the stamps. This release has been in the works for a long time. It was postponed because of the pandemic, so I'm glad that we're finally here. And I don't entirely know, I haven't heard from them how much they have in stock. So if you are in love with any of these items, if you don't want to wait a few months to have it come back in stock, you might want to, jump on it now. So I'm going to show you everything, and let's get into it. First of all, there's this adorable pin. You guys can see this. If any of you are enamel pin collectors, you might want to pick this one up. Such cute, that little mouse with the brush. So cute. All right, so there's this little pin. And that same image is on this little tiny itty bitty stamp set. So cute. This is just called Be Creative Mini. So adorable. Now we have two sentiment stamp sets with frames with little greetings inside that you can add to any of the images. I love this one right here. The greatest moments in life are the most simplest. It's a fun greeting. You don't see a lot of greetings that are long and kind of skinny like that. So cute. So this one is Wall Words, and this one is This Is Us Frames. So cute. All right, now we're going to get into the bigger stamp sets. This one has a cute dog with a smaller dog, kind of tickling him with a brush. This stamp set is called Wishing Happiness. So cute. If any of you guys love coloring, these images have a lot of character. They're going to be so fun. All right, here's one for creating backgrounds. This is called Stripes and Dots. And this is, if you guys can see the pattern that's up here, the pattern on the packaging, it's so you can kind of create the same thing. And there is kind of a little diagram of how to put them together on the back of the packaging. So that's Stripes and Dots. Okay, this one is adorable. I love this image of the large rabbit and the fox and, all the little animals holding hands. And then together is my favorite place to be. This is where the fun stuff happens. Such adorable, just sweet images. This one is called Better Together. This one, oh my word, okay. The little bunny offering the snowball to the deer. So sweet and adorable. This one's called Snow Happy. There's such a fun mix of kind of holiday stamps with, just general encouragement. Here's another holiday one. This one is called Kittens and Mittens and has the cats all dressed up to go out into the snow. I mean, how adorable is that? Too cute. And you also get the little snowfall to make a little scene. So cute. All right, this one is so cute. It's all cats, once again. It's like she knows me. She knows I'm going to want all the cats. This one is called Ice Cream Day. And look how cute, like this, oh, happy and this one's dropped their cone. So cute. Oh, so adorable. And this says, uh-oh, down here. So cute. All right, this is a really great one for Christmas. If you guys notice, it's a tree, and the cat is climbing, and it's clear up at the top, knocking the angel off the top. Talk about a character. I have a friend, Jana, who her cat did that the first year she had him, and he got caught in the lights, and she got him out. It was okay, but she doesn't have a Christmas tree anymore because of that. She would love to have one, but she can't because her cat likes to climb it. But this one is called Christmas Tree Cat, fitting. And you can also stamp this one and put another one of these on top. So cute. And then this is the stamps that I'm going to be using to show you guys just a little bit of watercoloring. This one is called Birthday Wishing. Such sweet little images. you know, the bunny with the balloon. And then the little guy down here, I think it's a mouse. All these other mice up here too. Trying to hide the gift. So cute. All right, so those are all the stamps. So many, such a fun release. I can't wait to see what people create with this. It's going to be amazing. Let's get into some painting. My plan is to keep the card really, really simple. So I'm going to use just this really thick, luscious watercolor paper. I've only ever bought one block of this Saunders Waterford Cold Press, and I have just been hoarding it. I don't want to ever get rid of all of it because it's an expensive watercolor paper, but I think this image is so cute. It's worth it. So I'm going to cut down, I'm going to have it be 5 by 7. And I will tape it to a board, but I'm planning to die cut it so it's a little smaller than an actual 5 by 7 card. So it won't matter that I'm taping off the edge. And I'm going to have my image just kind of in the center anyway. Okay, transfer that stamp to the door of my MISTI. Today I'm going to be using VersaFine Clair ink in Acorn, mostly because I want just a softer brown, and it's also waterproof. So I'll just stamp this down. Oh, that image is so cute. Okay, I'm going to use Magello Mission Gold paints today, some of my favorites. And I'm going to keep this painting really, really simple. I'm using a size 2 Escada Prada brush. And I think for all of this painting, I will turn some music on so you guys can kind of follow along. But I can speed up the painting just a little bit. Okay, so I'm done with all the painting. Let me zoom out for you guys here. And I just need to add my sentiments and cut down my image and put it on my card base. So I'm going to do that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Here's my finished card. This is Dove cardstock from Concord & 9th. It was the perfect kind of blue tone to go with the sky that I painted. So that's it. And here are all these stamps from the release. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the stamps. I'm going to put this one back in its packaging. Seeing all the stamps and getting a little glimpse at painting one. I think her very whimsical, sweet style kind of inspired me to try a little bit more of a loose watercolor today, which I really love. Love how that turned out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the links down below if you want to pick up any of these stamps. And I will see you guys on Monday for a brand new video. Thanks for watching.